So this is a tier count question here. So it's 4 marks. Actually, you're going to do, when I sort of lay out the answer, you'll see that it's a little bit longer than normally. Normally you look to sort of knock out that in about 2 minutes, but actually it's going to be like 3 minutes to make sure we get this perfectly right, really, and avoid any kind of errors. So 3 minutes to get through this one, and I'll come back to you at that point. So it's a minute left now, just to get this. But the key point in this one is are you going to get the actual answer exactly how I do it in terms of the neatness? Okay, so this is time. Let's go through the answer now. If you haven't done it, you can pause it because this is a 4-mark question, but let's go through it now. Okay, so we've got a loan account here, and so what you do is you put it into a tier count straight away. So we've got the 1,270 there, and then this is about the dates really here. So this question is a lot about the dates. So you see what the balance brought down is at the 1st of November. So it's giving the date here 1st of November and the balance brought down. It's not giving the balance carried forward. Sometimes it will be what's the balance carried forward at the 31st of October. Actually, that's sort of very much manual sort of bookkeeping really. Don't really have it in the digital system. It's just the balance. Here we have the brought forward figure here on the 1st of October. Bank figure coming in at 1,270 that we've sort of paid off. So we've gone debit bank or credit bank debit loan here probably. We have, yes. And then we've taken out another loan. Here, debit bank credit loan in there. So these are figures. Now what I've done here is I've done how I would actually do this in the exam. Really, and also as well actually how I used to do this in real life, and adjusted it in real life. I would actually total the columns first, then do the difference column here, the carry forward, and then I would retotal them here, and then check if they're balanced together. And that means that you absolutely won't make a mistake in there because you've had 2 goes at calculating it. Two sets of calculations down here, then you're sort of adding it up or working out what the difference is between the 2 of them there, and then retotaling it in here. It's a little bit faster. And a little touch sort of neater almost really. You can avoid any errors like that one. Now that carried forward is at the 31st of October. In here, that's the carry forward in there, and then it's brought down into the 1st of November, brought forward. Now notice brought forward, carried forward. Here we've got BF. Here, sometimes you have BFWD, sometimes you have brought down. So it's not really, it's all exactly the same thing really, just in terms of particular style of the particular accountant. You know, and I will switch backwards and forwards between brought forward and brought down. And then the office equipment one, again, brought forward figure coming in our office equipment in there. We've got a journal in here. Now what that actually is a, well, we're going, it's sort of prepayment, isn't it really? So you do that level 3, but it's a prepayment that's been put in there. Don't worry about what the heck is that journal there. Then we've got a credit bank debit our office equipment. Now what I've done again is I've totaled the two columns and then deducted that one from that one, put it into there as the carry forward, then retotaled it in there though to just check that my quarter carry forward is correct, and then that is the brought forward in the first of the following month. So that's, now the key point I was saying here is that you can get this right, and you probably got you will have got the right answer in there. The reason why I'm saying and labouring the point in terms of exactly how I lay it out is because I can never get it wrong with this approach. Really, always going to be, we can never actually get this question wrong, because I've had 2 goes at adding this thing in there, and provided those two additions are equal to one another, and come up with the same answer, then I'm always right. Yeah. And then, just in terms of the question, really, you have to look at the dates in the answer. Is it carry forward on the 31st of October in this case, or brought forward on the 1st of November? So here, brought forward credit there. So 35455 credit, and then 14589 debit. So that's the answer for that one there.